Aray! I thought it was already recording.
She is biting your little things here.
Mm, 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 mm. Mm.
Sa ilong na lang.
Bro, doon ka sa nga oh. Aray! Ouch!
Lilipad yan kung gumagalaw.
Mm.
Pare, wag mo ganun na. Lilipad yan talaga. I've tried that
Aray!
before. Don't sit up because that will fly. That happened to me a lot of times. And then he got too far. He bited my legs so much.
Ito ka.
Uy,
Oo.
uy, lilipad yan, lilipad yan. Wala na pala labas ng TV lagi. But every time when we sleep, tatay, every morning po din naman pala natin labas yung TV. But every night, i-cage natin siya.
Mm.
Kasi baka lumipad siya sa gabi.
Yeah,
And then
takot
hindi
yan.
tayo nakita. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's scared of the dark. Oh, bumalik na. Tayo na yan sa ano.
Uy, huwag mo ngatin yan, mat.
Ting, 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 ting.